Welcome back, guys. In this video I will show you how could you make a menu for your Android project and action bar like this. I will start with a new project, specify the name of my project S2, finish. Once your project is loaded, you need to go to main activity.xml file, remove the text, and then change it to relative layout. And you will need to import your background picture. For me, it is JPG. I will just copy it. If you need this picture, the link is under description of this video. And come to drawables, paste here, and drawable. Okay, it should be BG. And after that, you can just use the tag background and BG here. So you will have that picture on your background. And after that, what you will need to do, you just need to go to values, styles, action bar. That should be no action bar. Close it here and then come to your layout, right click, new, and then resource file. And here you'll have app toolbar. Okay, now you can change it to toolbar. That's it. And after that, Control A, select all, Alt Control L. And now you can change the height to the wrap content. And you can specify a color. For me, it is this color, or even you can change from here. What do you want? That's it. And now you need to come to your main activity. Before going to main activity, you need to come to your main activity.xml file, and you need to include here, include, and after that, layout, app toolbar, and then you can also have an ID for this ID that should be m app toolbar ID, m app toolbar. That's it. Select all, Alt Control L, write proper your code. Now, if you see your toolbar is visible here, now you need to go to main activity here. What you'll need to do here, first of all, toolbar. You will need to select this one, toolbar, M toolbar. Now you need to come here. M toolbar is equal to find view by ID or dot ID. M toolbar, M app toolbar, and after that, set supported action bar and M toolbar. That's all for now. If you run this application, here you go, your action bar is here, and here I will grab now the menu. So for that, I will just need to go to resource, right click, new, Android resource file. For this time, I won't choose value. Instead of value, you need to choose menu, and after that, type your menu here. For example, menu, main underscore menu, or whatever you want, you can just put the name. Okay, and if you see here, we have another folder menu, and under that we have a new file, main menu. So you need to go to inside this file, and you'll need to type item and close the tag. But before going further with programming, you will need to import your files. For me, these are the files, and the links for these files will be available in description. I'll just copy my files, I mean the icons, and then come to drawable and paste here. Okay, so now if you see in the drawable, we have the menu as well. So for this, I will just jump. First of all, icon. You need to specify the icon, which is menu icon. And after that, you can show action, which is always. Now, if you see, your icon will be appear here. And after that, you can have honor one, that's in the category one, and then you can have icon, tent mode, screen, and title, that should be main. That's all for this one. So our menu is created. Now inside this item, you'll need to have another menu. and you will need to close the stack, and under this menu you will need another item. So once you have created one item, then it's easy. You just need to copy this and paste here, and then you can close it like this. So this is your one. Now you can remove it, you can rename it. And now you can rename it. Like the first option should be settings, and that should be screen as well, and the id should be for this menu underscore settings. That's it. The second one, copy, and you can paste it bottom here. The second one should be how I have settings menu about me in language. So this should be languages, languages or language, and don't forget to change the icon as well. So this should be settings, and this should be languages. And the third one, copy, and you can just paste it down. This should be id should be menu underscore about underscore me, and this should be id should be sorry, this menu underscore languages. And here that that's my fault. I have to put id and then setting menu underscore settings. So menu underscore settings, and the icon is also settings, and then we have languages. So the title is also languages, and the id is also languages, menu languages, icon is language. About me, that should be id about underscore me, or menu underscore about underscore me, and the icon should be about me, and the text should be about me. That's all. So that's all. And now what you need to do, you just need to come to your main activity, and here outside your on create method, you need to call on create option menu, and here you will just grab this one, put it down, paste, return to. That's all. And now here, what you need to do, get menu inflator sorry, r dot menu dot your main menu, and dot what you'll need to do, sorry, here comma, and then you'll need to pass this variable menu, and that's all. If you now run your application, there you go, your menu is here. If you just click it, you will have settings, language, about me. So these options aren't working at the moment because we haven't specified on click on these all. So if you click your menu, languages, and as well as about me. Now I want, when I click here on languages, it should appear for me another menu in which I can choose what setting do you want, like brightness, sound setting, or what. So that's up to you. If you want, you can put a comment under this video, then I will work on that for you. In the same way, if you want me to work on languages for you, just leave a comment under this video. I will work on that for you. So try to subscribe our channel. It is called Z Code, and see you in next video.